Let me ask you something. What if I told you that the most powerful, most effective gym on the entire planet isn't made of steel and concrete? What if I told you it was you? Today, we are going to completely tear down the myth that you need some expensive membership to get into unbelievable shape. We're diving into a blueprint that uses nothing but your own body and the force of gravity to build real, functional strength.
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. That's the hook that really grabbed me. When you think about it, the monthly fees, the commute, waiting around for that one machine you need, it all adds up, right? The point here is simple. You're probably paying a whole lot for tools you don't even need.
And this is the core of it. This is the biggest myth in fitness, hands down. We've all been sold this idea that real, true strength is forged with these giant industrial machines. But we're here to talk about a different path, a more fundamental, more accessible way to get powerful, using the single most advanced piece of equipment ever created, your own body.
Okay, so let's get right to the heart of this thing. Because this isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's about chasing a totally different kind of strength. We're going to compare what the source material calls gym strong versus true functional power. I absolutely love this phrase they use, mental gymnastics. That's what they call the belief that, bodyweight training is just a warm-up for the real workout with weights. This whole blueprint argues the exact opposite. Mastering your own body, that is the real workout.
And you can see the difference right here. Gym strong is all about isolating muscles. Think bicep curls, usually with aesthetics as the main goal. But functional power is a whole different ballgame. It's about training your entire body to work as one single coordinated system. A push-up isn't just a chest exercise, right? It's a moving plank. It forces your core, your shoulders, your back, everything to work together. And that's exactly why elite military units and martial artists build their foundation on this stuff. It's strength you can actually use in the real world.
Okay, so if we're ditching the gym, what's the actual plan? What do we do? Well, this is where we get into the blueprint itself. This is the actionable part, a simple, super effective path that requires absolutely zero special equipment.
Now, here's a really crucial point. It's all about balance. So many of these no-equipment workouts you see online have this one fatal flaw. They are all about pushing. Push-ups, push-ups, and more push-ups. But if you don't have pulling movements to balance it out, you create these muscular imbalances that can lead to that hunched-over posture, what the source hilariously calls a desk-bound gremlin look. A complete workout has to address this.
And the solution is actually beautifully simple. It all boils down to these three pillars: push, pull, and legs. Seriously, you can forget about 100 different complicated exercises. The goal here is just to master the fundamental ways your body was designed to move. That's it.
So let's start with the push. The goal isn't just to do more and more reps. It's about making each rep harder. Once you can crank out standard push-ups pretty easily, you've got to change the stimulus. You could bring your hands close together for a diamond push-up to really blast your triceps. Or, if you want to really level up, lean your whole body forward into what's called a pseudo-planche push-up. Just that little shift in leverage dramatically increases the load on your shoulders and chest, and you haven't added a single pound of weight.
Now, for the pull pillar, the one that most workouts at home just totally forget. No pull-up bar? No problem. You can literally slide under a sturdy table and do rows. You can even sling a towel over a door frame and use that for pulls. And hey, if you can't do a full pull-up yet, here is the secret weapon, negatives. Jump up to the top of the movement and then fight gravity with everything you've got on the way down, nice and slow for about 3 to 5 seconds. That downward resistance, that's what builds the raw strength you need to get your first real pull-up.
And for legs, yeah, it's time for a reality check. Doing endless, mindless air squats isn't going to build serious power. Instead, try elevating one foot on a chair behind you for Bulgarian split squats. They isolate and absolutely torch each leg. Then you can work on Cossack squats to build strength and mobility through a full range of motion. See, this isn't just about building muscle. It's about building healthy, mobile hips that protect your knees and your back in everyday life.
All right, so we've got the what, the push, the pull, the legs. But the how you actually perform them, and maybe more importantly, how you recover, that's where the real magic happens. This isn't about grinding yourself into dust for hours. It's about being smart. So let's get into what the source calls the lazy secrets to getting shredded. Okay, get ready for a huge mental shift here. Forget about destroying a muscle group just once a week in some marathon session. The real key to growth is frequency. By hitting each of those movement patterns, push, pull, and legs, about 3 times a week, you're constantly sending a little signal to your body to adapt and grow. It's so much more effective.
Now this one is going to feel totally counterintuitive, but it is so important. Forget those frantic 60-second rest periods. Taking a full 3 to 5 minutes between your really hard sets lets your entire nervous system fully recover. They call this lazy smart because it means you come back to your next set with way more power, which leads to better strength gains over time.
And here we go, busting another myth. The idea that cardio has to be this miserable high-intensity sufferfest. No way. The Blueprint's secret weapon for cardio is just walking. That's it. It's low impact, it burns a surprising amount of calories when you do it consistently, and, this is key, it doesn't make you ravenously hungry, which makes sticking to your nutrition plan so much easier.
You've heard it a million times, but it's true. You just can't out-train a bad diet. And this blueprint makes the nutrition side of things brutally simple. Just 2 rules. Rule 1, hit your protein goal. If you don't, your body has nothing to rebuild muscle with. Period. End of story. And rule 2, maintain a slight calorie deficit to burn fat. That is the whole formula. The only catch? You can't guess. You've got to track your food to actually know you're hitting those targets.
So there you have it. We've gone over the mindset, the movements, and the lazy smart methods to make it all work. It's a complete system designed to put the power, quite literally, right back in your own hands. So let's bring this all home.
This is really the final takeaway. The perfect gym, the perfect program, the perfect time to start, none of it exists. It's a myth. The core message here is that you already have everything you need to start making real progress, right now, today. The barrier isn't a lack of equipment, it's a lack of action.
And that's what it all comes down to, isn't it? The ground right beneath your feet, that's your new gym. Your own body, that's all the equipment you need. All the excuses, they're gone. The only variable left in this whole equation is you. So the floor is ready. Are you?